How to hide camera roll on Snapchat story. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app and then go ahead on this search icon found on the bottom mid of the screen. Once you click on the search icon, you may now go to the search bar and search for upload. Wait for it to load and make sure to click on this upload filter by Munir Haskell right here. So click on that one and then make sure to choose a picture. So I'll just simply choose a picture that contains a dog, for example, like this one. So as you can see, I have a picture right here. I'll then just simply click on the picture button or the upload button found on the bottom mid, like this one. And now I will add it to my story. So click on story and choose the option that you want and click on send right here, and as you can see, my story has been uploaded. So whenever I go to my story, I'll just go to my profile and then my story. As you can see now, there is no camera roll indicated on top. So that's it. That's how you can hide camera roll on Snapchat story.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.